Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for finding the best everyday products. In today's review, we're diving into a product that's a lifesaver for any parent dealing with messy mealtimes, chaotic arts and crafts sessions, or even just daily spills. This is the best floor mat high chair waterproof, the CLCROBD 51-inch Splat mat. Let's start with the basics. This mat is a versatile, generously sized 51-inch square that's designed to sit under a high chair, art easel, or activity table to catch all the splashes, crumbs, spills, and smudges. Right out of the box, you'll notice how lightweight it is. It weighs just 1.3 pounds and folds up compactly, making it super travel-friendly. Whether you're heading to the park for a picnic, setting up a PlayStation in the backyard, or protecting your floors at home, this mat goes wherever the mess does. Now let's talk materials. The CLCROBD Splat mat is made from 100% polyester. It's completely lead-free, BPA-free, PVC-free, and non-toxic, which makes it a safe choice for babies and toddlers who inevitably spend time crawling or sitting on it. The fabric is soft, odorless, and durable, and you can feel confident using it for any kid-related activity. And when the inevitable mess happens, don't worry. It's waterproof and stain-resistant. Just wipe it down with a cloth or toss it into the washing machine. It's that easy. One of the standout features here is the non-slip silicone backing. If you've ever used a mat that slides all over your hardwood or bunches up on carpet, you'll know how frustrating that can be. The CLCROBD mat stays firmly in place whether it's on tile, wood, or carpet. It creates a stable, no-slip zone that gives your child a safe surface to play, eat, or create on. Now, versatility is where this product really shines. Of course, it's perfect under a high chair for meals. But it's equally great for finger painting, play-doh, crafts, or using as a picnic blanket outdoors. It can even double as a tablecloth during drawing or sensory play sessions. If you need a clean, protective surface that's quick to deploy and easy to store away, this mat has you covered, literally. And while functionality is key, design matters too. The version we're showcasing today features a bright, fun dinosaur pattern that kids love. But it's also available in other colors and styles to match your home or your child's preferences. It's cheerful enough to brighten up a room but not too loud to feel out of place. The build quality is impressive for the price point. The stitching is reinforced, the fabric feels strong yet soft, and the waterproof coating doesn't have that cheap plasticky feel you might find in other alternatives. It's built to last through daily use, spills, washing, and even outdoor exposure. To wrap it all up, the CLCROBD 51-inch Splat mat is one of the most practical, durable, and versatile protective mats you can buy for your home. Whether you're dealing with spaghetti night gone wrong, glitter explosions from a craft project, or muddy shoes after outdoor play, this mat is up to the challenge. What more could you want? Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you're interested in seeing more hands-on reviews like this, hit that subscribe button and let us know what products you want us to cover next. And don't forget to check out the product link in the description to get your hands on this mess-busting essential. See you in the next one.